Welcome to Dexy. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to smash the subscribe button and to press the bell icon in order to get every valuable video that we post. If you have done all, let us get started. The most valuable video of today. Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. You're watching Dexy channel. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can solve this kind of problem, which is your URL is available to Google but has an issue. So how can we solve this kind of problem? Let me show you the steps that you will follow in order to solve this kind of problem. First, let me see another URL. If I go here and take another URL like this URL, if I copy this URL and come back to here, then I try to index this. I try to index this. As you see, it will be okay. Let me see. As you see, this one it is saying, let me show you. As you see, this one it is available. Your URL is available to Google, but there's no an issue here. But the next, if I come back to this URL and copy this URL, then come back to my search console, then I paste it to here to index it. So as you see, the previous one and this one are not same. So the previous URL and this URL are not same because there's an issue. You cannot index this post, can't be indexed for the sake of it has an issue. So how can we solve this kind of problem? We can solve this problem by following the steps that I am going to show you, and everything will be okay. At the end of this video, you will be able to solve this kind of problem wherever you encounter it and wherever you meet it. So if you're new to the channel, please make sure to smash the subscribe button and to press the bell icon in order to get every valuable video. Don't miss and don't forget to hit the like button in order to reach this video every person who is complaining this kind of problem. So guys, let's get started and let us follow the steps in order to solve this kind of problem. So to solve this problem, let us come back to our blog post. Then here, as you see, this one is the post which is showing that it has an issue. So let us click to this post. Then now what can we do right now? So we can do that. Let me say desktop site. So guys, when you come back to your blogger site, then the only thing that you can do is, as you see, this blog post has 4 posts, and these 4 posts we have published. So anyway, what we can do right now is to click the post which is complaining and which is showing this issue. This is the post which is showing this issue. If we click it, then now let us fulfill and carry out everything which this blog is showing that problem. So there is a problem that this issue caused. So the only thing that you can do is, already here was an empty. So as you see here, labels, you must fill labels. Just I'm going to fill it, this one, labels. You must fill this place. And also the next thing that you can do is here, look, not location, it is search description. Click to search description and then let us scroll down, then copy a little bit of your article, then copy. What you can do is come here, select all, then paste. So as you see here, we have solved a little bit issue. So we have selected 2 labels and also site description. You must fill labels and also you must fill site description. The next thing that you can do is your title. Your title must be short. The title above, I mean this one, this title, not be long title. So when you be a long title can't be preferred to search console and it cannot index your post quickly. So anyone Anyway, what you can do right now is to short your title, shorten it. The next thing is fill the labels and site description. When we do and all these action, when we do, what we can do is only to click update. So after updating, as you see, let us come back. Yeah, let's come back to here. As you see, let's come back to here and let us take the link of this post. Wait, sorry. So we have copied the link. Now we are expecting that everything will be solved. Yeah, really, we are expecting that everything will be solved. What we can do right now is to click here and then paste the link here, then search. Let us wait a little bit time. It takes so as you see, it is testing the live URL and we are waiting it that every action will be fulfilled. This issue will be fixed very goodly. So let's wait, and as you see here, we have solved it. Good. This is how you can solve this kind of problem, and nobody else can share with you this strategy that I followed when I got this challenge. I got this challenge many times, then lastly I got its solution. So this is the solution that you can do for this kind of problem. If you have if this video is value for you, please make sure to smash the subscribe button and to hit the like icon, and in order to get every valuable video that we post daily. So guys, I conclude my video here. Once again, if this video is valuable for you, please make sure to smash the subscribe button and to press the bell icon in order to get every valuable video that we post daily. Don't forget to hit the like button. Yeah, in order to reach this video every person complaining this kind of problem. Until we meet like this video, see you next video.